Setting boundaries is all about defining clear parameters around your time and energy. In today's interconnected world, it's easy to fall into the trap of perpetual accessibility. However, every IS to unplanned requests or distractions is AI no to focused, productive work. It's essential to understand that boundaries aren't barriers. They're guidelines that enable you to work at your peak efficiency. Implementing automation might seem daunting at first. Where do I begin? Is this going to make my job redundant? The key lies in understanding that automation tools are just that, tools. They're designed to amplify your skills, not replace them. Start small, perhaps by automating mundane tasks like data entry or invoice generation. Gradually, you'll find pockets of your day being reclaimed, letting you dive deep into more value-driven tasks. Have you ever dreamt of a world where you earn more, but the clock dictates less? Hello and welcome to Moneycraft Masters. We're trying to debunk the myth that grinding longer equals earning more. Today, we bring you the ultimate guide on reshaping your work life, revealing the 5 strategies that have revolutionized how the successful approach their day. If doubling your income while reclaiming your time sounds like a dream, you're in the right place. But first, if you're new here or haven't yet, click that like button, share the knowledge, and subscribe with notifications so you never miss out on game-changing advice. The notion that hard work equals successes has been embedded in our psyche for generations. Remember the Industrial Revolution when sweat, machinery, and hours spent defined your worth. A ticking clock signified the measure of one's daily output. But as we've evolved, so has our understanding of productivity. Enter the age of technology, where the tools at our disposal have blurred the lines between time spent and value created. We live in an era where an intelligent algorithm can accomplish in minutes what would have taken a human days, if not weeks. This shift isn't just technological. It's a cultural and economic transformation. Our global landscape has seen unprecedented changes. Economic crises, global pandemics, and the startup boom have taught us that adaptability and efficiency are the keys to success rather than mere hours spent. More companies are valuing output over hours, results over presence. The N9 to 5s is becoming less of a standard and more of an option, and for many, only sometimes the most productive one. We've seen a surge in flexible working environments, remote jobs, and a focus on mental well-being. The modern professional is searching for balance, efficiency, and innovative ways to achieve goals. But amidst this evolution, how do you navigate and leverage opportunities to work less and earn more? Let's unravel the strategies that empower this shift. Picture this. You're doing the same task, repetitive and time-consuming, day in and day out. Imagine having a digital assistant working around the clock, executing those tasks flawlessly without needing a coffee break. That's the power of automation. Automation isn't merely about replacing human tasks with machines. It's about enhancing our human capabilities, freeing our time to focus on what truly matters. From automated email responses and marketing campaigns to manufacturing processes and customer service, automation is reshaping how businesses operate. Implementing automation might seem daunting at first. Where do I begin? Is this going to make my job redundant? The key lies in understanding that automation tools are just that, tools. They're designed to amplify your skills, not replace them. Start small, perhaps by automating mundane tasks like data entry or invoice generation. Gradually, you'll find pockets of your day being reclaimed, letting you dive deep into more value-driven tasks. Automation offers a unique advantage in a world where time is the most precious commodity. It doesn't just enhance efficiency, it reinvents it. With the right tools and mindset, you can automate your way to more freedom, higher productivity, and even better income. Strategy 2. Upskilling. Imagine having a treasure chest, and with each new skill you acquire, it's as if you're adding a gem. This is the essence of upskilling. In an age where information is at our fingertips and industries evolve overnight, the value of continuous learning cannot be overstated. Upskilling is more than just acquiring new knowledge. It's about adapting and positioning oneself in the best possible place for current and future opportunities. Think of it like this. Every new skill you learn is another tool in your toolbox, enabling you to tackle various challenges and opening doors to higher-paying roles or projects. However, the beauty of upskilling isn't merely in pursuing higher salaries. It's also about resilience. In unpredictable economic climates, having a diversified skill set is like having a safety net. Those with a broader array of competencies often find themselves more adaptable and able to pivot between roles or industries. Moreover, upskilling often leads to unforeseen benefits. By diving into new knowledge areas, you'll find yourself in new networks, exposed to fresh ideas, and at the intersection of innovation. This isn't just about career progression. It's about personal growth, fulfillment, and the excitement of always being on the cutting edge. Strategy 3. Passive income. Have you ever dreamt of earning money while you sleep? What if every time you checked your account, there was more money than the last time you looked? It sounds like a fantasy, but that's the allure of passive income. At its core, passive income is money you earn without actively trading your time for it. Instead of the traditional hours for dollars model, you invest time or money upfront to set up a revenue stream that requires minimal ongoing effort. Whether it's royalties from a book and revenue from a YouTube channel, dividends from investments, or sales from an online course, the beauty of passive income is that it decouples your earning potential from your time. But here's a caveat. Passive doesn't mean effort-free. Setting up a passive income stream might require substantial effort, research, and even capital. It's about building a system or platform that, once established, requires minimal maintenance but continues to pay dividends, sometimes for years to come. In an ideal world, passive income allows you to take control of your financial destiny, giving you the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or simply enjoying the finer moments in life without the constant pressure of the next paycheck. Remember, in the quest for financial freedom, it's about making money and reclaiming your time. Hey, if you're finding value in this content and want to be part of our journey to redefine success, gently tap that button. Consider subscribing as your ticket aboard, and don't keep this secret to yourself. Share it. Together, we can reshape the way we work and live. We've all been there. The endless workday, the blurred lines between office hours and personal time, and that constant feeling of being always on. But what if the key to working less and making more wasn't just about what you do, but also what you choose not to do? Setting boundaries is all about defining clear parameters around your time and energy. In today's interconnected world, it's easy to fall into the trap of perpetual accessibility. However, every IS to unplanned requests or distractions is AI no to focused, productive work. It's essential to understand that boundaries aren't barriers. They're guidelines that enable you to work at your peak efficiency. Beyond work, setting boundaries protects your time, ensuring you can recharge, reflect, and engage in activities that rejuvenate you. A well-rested, mentally sharp individual is bound to be more productive and innovative than one on the brink of burnout. Begin by communicating your boundaries clearly to colleagues and clients, allocating specific hours for deep work, and scheduling regular breaks. Prioritize tasks and remember that only some things urgent are necessary. By mastering the art of saying no and safeguarding your time, you'll find yourself achieving more in less time and with greater satisfaction. Strategy 5. Networking, collaboration. You've heard it said, it's not just what you know, but who you know. But in the digital age, it's also about how you collaborate. Networking and collaboration aren't just buzzwords. They're force multipliers in your journey to work less and make more. Networking is the bridge that connects you to opportunities, partnerships, and insights you might not have encountered otherwise. Every connection you make has the potential to open a door, be it a job referral, a business partnership, or a unique investment chance. The idea is only to know some and cultivate relationships that add mutual value. Then there's collaboration. In an interconnected world, the power of collective intelligence can't be underestimated. When you collaborate, you're pooling resources, skills, and perspectives. Instead of carrying the weight of a project alone, you're distributing the effort, often leading to faster, more innovative, and more efficient outcomes. Embrace platforms and tools that foster collaboration. Engage in online and offline communities that align with your professional interests. Remember, the magic often happens at the intersection of diverse ideas. By amplifying your networking and collaboration efforts, you're not just optimizing work, you're catalyzing growth opportunities that allow you to achieve more by leveraging collective strengths. As we wind down our deep dive into these transformative strategies, let's take a moment to reflect on the roadmap we've laid out. From harnessing the power of automation to streamline tasks, investing time in upskilling for future opportunities, setting up resilient passive income streams, asserting boundaries to protect our most valuable asset, time, and leveraging the strength of collective intelligence through networking and collaboration. These strategies are more than just ways to optimize work and boost income. They represent a holistic approach to professional life, balancing efficiency, growth, and personal well-being. The modern world offers myriad tools and platforms to make this journey easier. We must leverage them effectively. Essentially, the goal isn't just about working less and making more. It's about maximizing impact, enriching personal growth, and shaping a fulfilling, balanced life. In the ever-evolving tapestry of our professional lives, the strategies we've explored today serve as guiding stars. But it's essential to remember that every journey is unique. While automation, upskilling, passive income, boundaries, and collaboration offer us powerful tools, the key lies in adapting and integrating them into our personal narratives. It's about crafting a story where work enriches life rather than consuming it. As you move forward, your challenge is to experiment, iterate, and find the blend of strategies that resonate with your goals and aspirations. Know that every effort you make in refining your approach today will pave the way for a more fulfilling tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration. If you found value in today's content, share it with those who might benefit. And, of course, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives like this one. Until next time, here's to working smarter, living better, and crafting a journey worth celebrating.